lemongrass adds an earthy, citrusy flavor to savory dishes. Like curry ga. Curry, you hear that? Curry, that's curry, yep. Vietnamese have their own curry, and it's a chicken coconut curry. Delicious. I like to bruise my lemongrass a little bit because it's very fibrous. I actually have a coffee grinder just for lemongrass. Okay. Look at that. It's all fine and fibery. Put that in with my onions. You can't have a curry without ginger. Before I put it on the chicken, a little salt and pepper. I like to use drumsticks or any chicken with bone-in, skin on. And why not just use your hands, hey? First things first, some veg oil. I'm going to brown my chicken first. Oh, that's the sizzle that I want. I can smell the lemongrass already. Chicken is searing nicely, the juices are flowing, the lemongrass and the onion, wow. I'm gonna add more of it. Flavor up that curry with some fish sauce. Deep, savory flavors right there. And the water, it helps to loosen up all the onions and the ginger and the lemongrass that's a little bit stuck to the bottom of the pot. And also this curry, it's like a soup, it's thin, it's not thick. Keep it light. And this is the curry magic, the Madras curry paste. It's made from coriander, cumin, mustard seeds, vinegar, garlic, some sugar to sweeten it up. And this is where the fruit comes in. And I'm kind of cheating because it comes from a can. It's coconut milk. And I know it's a really good coconut milk because it's full of cream. Oh, that rich, thick, creamy taste. And check this out. Fresh kefir lime leaves. It's very aromatic, very powerful. And one more surprise, potatoes. White potatoes add a nice starch, and it's gonna fill you up more. Sweet potatoes will add more sweetness to the curry. So I just want this to simmer away till the potatoes get really soft, and the chicken, it just falls off the bones. And I make this dish at home all the time. I make a big batch and it will last me the week, or maybe a dinner party. And you can serve it with rice or bread. Let's get into this. I love Indian curries, but what I love about this Vietnamese curry is really the lemongrass. Oh, look at that chicken. And the drumstick is my favorite part of the chicken, too. India and Vietnam put together, brilliant.